world. But
No
then
problem.
global, okay, global warming. So we know about what is global warming. I'm going to explain more about global warming. And you guys know there are certain things because of us greenhouse gases like electricity, factories, transportation, agriculture, and so and
Right.
so. And there are like carbon dioxide emission, SOx, NOx, and methane, and so many gases are there.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the percentage of increase. Everything is carbon dioxide is increasing. 2000 this is from 1975 to 2015. This is from parts from million. In air. Directly, this is from the molecule parts from million. We say this is.
Okay.
You can see 1975. It is increasing. Every graph is over there. You can see that, right?
Right. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Yes.
Yeah, it's emission of all the gases.
Yeah, it's all
This is
increasing.
recently found gases like chlorofluorocarbon and
Those
hydrofluorocarbon.
are all from
Everything like
coolants,
because of the
refrigerators, and AC.
coolers. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
Right. Makes sense.
and burning of fossil fuel, industrial waste, and everything. And this is a recent prediction of 0.6 degree Celsius has been increased. You can see the map.
No, we can't see it.
2020. This is in reason. You can see it.
No, we can see the picture of the factory. Now
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can. Yeah, now it's here.
Even my audio is going a little bit fast.
Yeah, there's a little bit lag. I'm sorry, everybody, about our very bad internet connections. Just hope you can understand what we're trying to put across.
Okay, Guru, can you explain this map, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what you're seeing is trapped greenhouse gas in the globe.
Right.
Okay.
So the red obviously represents
That is
where
what you
the
see.
gases are concentrated and where the temperatures
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
You can see there are trapped greenhouse gases near Antarctica. They are nothing
Right.
but the chlorofluorocarbons. They are mostly trapped in near Antarctica zones, in the poles.
Okay. So that part.
You can basically.
So in Canada and Alaska, there's a little purple cloud there. So does that mean that there's very less there? I mean, I don't understand. What do each of the colors represent?
Yeah, the red color represents the higher temperature, and the blue, white, and the graph below, right?
Yeah.
The red to the 30 and minus 30 to the white and
Right.
violet at the below. That's the graph.
Okay.
That is the thing.
Okay.
And you can see overall there is 0.6 degrees Celsius increase in temperature.
Right. Yes.
And I said you before, so even there is a 0.1 degree difference in water temperature, corals always gonna leave
Are affected.
because of rising temperature, and corals are gonna die. Yeah.
Okay. So there's a 0.6 degree Celsius difference, right? Is what you're trying to say?
0 point?
You said.
Yeah. I'm saying like it has been increased. It's increased.
Right. Yeah.
I'm not saying it's increased as per the prediction of 2020. It's been increased 0.6 degrees Celsius. That's
Okay.
what I'm going to say.
Okay.
Yeah. So due to increase of temperature, what's going to happen? Our glaciers are going to enter the poles, Greenlands, Icelands, everything's going to melt. That's what happened.
Right.
These are the cause for increase in sea level rise. These
Right.
things melt, and they increase the sea level rise.
Yes.
And as per 20th century prediction, 3.2 millimeter rises every year. 3.2 is very less, but it's rising.
Yeah, of course.
Happening.
And also, as this ice melts, it makes the ocean more freshwater or something like that. I mean, it changes the salinity also, right?
Yeah. Absolutely. It will collapse completely. See,
yeah, exactly. And
animals
plus,
are
corals, you
capable of
said,
living in
are
saltwater.
saltwater beings. So
Yeah. Everything I'll just show you next slide. This is a prediction from Antarctica 2015. You can see the glaciers floating around in. You don't need to worry about this. This is actually a seasonal change. This happens, but the percentage difference is important. In this year it's happening very more. Again at the time it will grow. Ice will be.
Yeah,
more.
Exactly. This is October to February, so I'm guessing winter.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
starts to melt, obviously.
but the percentage is important.
Okay.
Day by day, it's decreasing. That is a fact.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, this is picture gave my guide. He took this picture.
Beautiful.
This is an ice climb. You can see, Greenland must be covered with full of ice and snows. You can see we
Right.
can start seeing the lands in Greenland. It's
Yeah.
completely melting and going into the ocean.
Is it is there ice permanently throughout the year in Greenland? I've heard that some parts of it do melt, as in like,
Yeah, it melts, but I don't think this is the season to melt.
Yeah,
Okay.
September
As
is
per my
actually
knowledge.
supposed to be
Okay,
gone
correct.
winter.
And you can see completely it has been melted. Some parts.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
quite sad.
See,
What are
our
the polar
Earth
bears?
covers like
Yeah.
15 million square kilometers of ice, glaciers.
Right.
I mean, the Antarctica, poles, Greenland, everything covers. Like altogether, we can say like 5.8 million square miles.
Right.
Okay.
And all of it is slowly melting.
Just okay. This is an imagination, guys. Just imagine if all the ice melts.
Oh my God. I feel really bad for the polar
There will be
bears.
like
Oh,
there will
those
be
polar bears.
230.
Shit, that's
There will be completely global sea level rise up to 230 feet. Just imagine.
oh
Oh
my
my
You can see the
God.
map over there. There will be no Miami. There will be no Venice. There will be no.
How is Sri Lanka still there?
There will be no Chennai also.
Yeah, Chennai will not be there.
Some part of Sri Lanka will be there.
Right.
Sri
You can
Lanka's
see
got
that. You
mountains
can
and all.
prediction.
Oh my
If
God.
200.
Europe will be like nothing. Where is the shape of Europe?
I mean, the melting of the ice caps is actually a really scary thing. I mean, I
Yeah.
watched a video of an entire 1 kilometer shelf of ice just falling into the ocean just like that.
Yeah. It happens. So if this happens, there will be a complete change in sea pattern.
Right.
Heat waves. There will be change in heat waves. The salt. I mean, the percentage of molecule inside the ocean will be changed. Everything will be changed. There will be a complete sea pattern change.
Right.
Massive extinction of animal and fishes.
That's
Sad.
no way. Oh my God.
Migration of fishes they move along sea pattern. Fishes. I mean the mammals.
Right.
So if there is a change in pattern, they go to a different place where there is no food.
Yeah,
This thing happen.
Sorry?
there won't be food.
Yeah. Okay.
This slide.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, you can go to the next one. I just didn't hear that last bit, but she told me. No problem.
Okay, this climate change will completely. I mean, this melting of ice will completely change the climate. The hot deserts will have heavy rainfalls, and rainforests will be completely dry.
So it'll be like a
There will be
reversal of the wind currents. Like,
Yeah,
even the
yeah,
ocean currents
absolutely.
will reverse.
Yeah, there will be completely change in all
It's
the patterns.
exactly like the
There
earth
will be-
spinning in the
Yeah.
opposite direction.
Yeah,
Basically. Shit.
there will be complete big flood.
Oh my
There will be
God.
no food. There will be no places for most of the people live in the coastal area. You know that.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
Coastal islands
And the
will
result,
go underwater.
I think that will be the biggest collapse ever will happen.
For sure.
Yeah.
So what can we do to, avoid this?
We have to reduce greenhouse gases. That is the main thing.
So what can people
That's
do? Like,
impossible,
how
like-
can they do that actually? What are the small steps they can make?
Like using public transport. People say use public transport, but as per my knowledge, public transport there doesn't produce more pollution.
Right. Yeah,
They're
yeah.
just
No.
I can
It
say
makes sense.
Yeah, they don't produce more pollution. there
Right.
are like most like 50% of carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide, and all the oxide is produced by ship, you know, big cargo ships, big container ships, bulkers,
Right.
everything. Because they're moving factories. Ships are called as the moving factories.
Mm-hmm.
They have huge engines in like which is
Yeah.
like 5 to 6 floors engine. They produce more pollution. But we can't stop the ship from moving, because if we're going to stop
Of
the ship
course.
from moving, peoples in Africa, they will not get food.
Yeah,
There will be again
it's a
complete
chain
collapse because of
reaction, you
food
know.
and all other resources.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, it's a chain. You can't stop one thing and
A
expect
human
everything else
activity.
to work. So,
Sure. Yeah. Human activities, like roughly they produce 31.7 billion metric tons of greenhouse gases.
right.
This is very huge, very huge.
So I feel
So we
like,
need a way to capture.
sorry, I feel like the whole thing comes down to our population. I mean, there's nothing we can do as long as you
Yeah,
sustain such a huge population. You know, you're always going to be tied to some kind
yeah,
of
absolutely.
chain event that will lead to this if you need to sustain this much of a
Mm,
population.
yeah.